area. It's so fun because it's so cushy. It's very cushy.
Really
relax,
comfortable
relax.
on a Friday.
Dr. Cozette M. White, are you comfortable?
I am fine. Yes,
Right,
yes.
we want to make sure all the guests are comfortable.
That's right.
And this is comfy stuff.
Well, she's going to make us comfortable by keeping our anxiety down about tax season.
Exactly, because that's what I was getting to. It's right around the corner. I'm a little anxious about all this. I think a lot of people watching right now are as well too. You are the tax expert. Let's start with the first question.
Yeah.
How do we get the money back?
How do you get the money back?
Right.
Show me the money.
Show me the money.
Yeah.
All right, so that's what we're talking
Good
about
tips
today.
Yeah.
Tips.
Yeah.
What we want to do, first of all, we want to make sure that if we're starting out, we want to boost that refund. We want to get as much back as possible. You need to make sure before you get to your tax person, you determine, are you going to use the standardized deduction or are you going to itemize? As you know, back in 2017, the end of 2017, the new tax law went out. So now the standard deduction is much higher. For single individuals, it's $12,000. For a head of household, it's $18,000. And for married individuals, it's $24K. So some people are falling out of that itemized deduction bracket and over into the standard deduction, which means you won't have to gather as much material.
Okay.
Interesting.
What are some, that really is,
Yeah.
what are some other ways that you're giving people tips on how to boost their return? Are there other, those things that we just, Gary and I, others don't think about, we don't know about? What are those tips you're telling people to boost their returns a little bit?
Absolutely. First of all, it's the last minute, so I want to make sure that all of you know that you still have time to start an IRA. An IRA will help you minimize that tax bill, so make sure you think about starting an IRA. You can go to any financial institution between now and tax day, April 15th, and start an IRA.
And it can work on last year's?
And it can work on last year's.
Cozette?
Yes, absolutely.
Ooh, wow.
Absolutely.
Okay. That's amazing.
Yes. You also, another tip that I want to make sure that all our viewers are in tune to is make sure that if you are itemizing or if you're writing off any deductions, do not round the numbers off, because what's going to happen, there you go, thinking alike.
Round the numbers? Right.
We are thinking alike.
Yeah.
It'll flag your return and it can result in an audit, and that's one thing that we don't want. We don't want audits.
My blood pressure just skyrocketed with the sheer mention of audits.
The A word.
Oh my
Am I
God.
shaking? Am I shaking?
All right, what about those people that are going to rush? It's we're right up to we're right there.
That's me this time. Normally,
so what's
a rush
he do?
situation.
That's you. Okay, here's what I want you to do.
Yeah.
Take your time. I want you to review the return. Make sure that you have the Social Security numbers in there correct. Make sure that you haven't transposed any numbers. Make sure that your zip codes, your phone numbers, or address, make sure that those things are in there correctly and there's no misspelled names. Those are all things that can kick out a return and have it sent back to you,
no
or
rounding.
a lot of different things.
And no rounding. All right, you've got a free gift for the viewers?
I do.
Oh, I love it.
I do. I have a free book. It is called Smart Finances for Smart Individuals. So that's all of us,
I like
right?
that. Well,
not smart.
All the viewers need to do, they need to text the word finances.
Okay.
Text the word finances to 805-719-7682. And all they need to do is download it, and it's a free downloadable ebook.
Oh my goodness.
Cozette, always hooking up the information, especially this time of year, tax
Yes,
time.
this is it, man. Right around the corner.
Appreciate you for
April.
coming in.
Thank you.
We got a little information there, 805-983-1151. You can check her out online, CozetteMWhite.com. Facebook, Instagram, as she said. Get your free book and follow her along. Thanks, Cozette. Appreciate it.
And do not fudge the numbers.